Elon Musk teases a higher-priced Twitter Blue subscription with no ads. Twitter still has to follow through on its promise to offer reduced ads to existing Blue subscribers. So Blue gets you immediately reduced ads, and then double Blue, dark Blue, gives you no ads at all, I suppose. Well, I keep reading these articles about Twitter having to pay back all types of money, like coming up. Like they're going to have to dig deep in their pockets. And I'm not so certain that I don't know if everything's going according to plan in terms of revenue and having people convert over to the Blue subscription and whatever else. But here's another way. Just get rid of ads completely and charge even more. Elon Musk says Twitter will roll out a new higher-priced Blue subscription that doesn't show ads on the platform. The current $7.99 per month Twitter Blue subscription promises 50% fewer ads when compared to non-verified people. Oh, I didn't even realize verified people already see fewer ads, which maybe I don't even see any ads on the Unbox Therapy handle. I don't know.
No,
I don't know. Although this feature hasn't been rolled out yet, a more expensive ad-free subscription might be Twitter's answer to Blue's disappointing subscriber numbers. Okay, so there we go. We have some preliminary feedback. Not a lot of people choosing to subscribe to it, and Twitter's 40% decline in ad revenue, something The Verge's Alex Heath reports on in his latest newsletter. In addition to the new tier, Musk says Twitter's also working on a way to decrease the frequency and size of ads on Twitter. Listen, man, it is such a hard time to even be experimenting and trying to figure this out. And the reason being is much like we were talking about with cars and price reductions and smartphones and whichever category you want to go into, we're in a time right now where there's a lot of consumer apprehension around spending money, including on your subscriptions, any and all subscriptions, Netflix subscriptions, Twitter Blue subscriptions, HBO subscription, whatever, like you name it. Although Spotify, I think, posted some really good numbers. They're trending. I don't know what's going on with Spotify, but Spotify's pretty good, though.
Yeah.
So anyway, I just wanted to throw that out there. I've been using Spotify. I was driving the Tesla again, and I was just like, man, Spotify integrated in there. Got all my playlists. Like, no device needs to be attached to it. Nice integrations and solid inventory over there. Plus podcasts, plus like they've made some good decisions, some decent decisions, which is kind of fun for me too, because they are not one of the big companies. Like they're big, obviously, but they're not one of the big companies, and they continue to compete against the biggest companies in the world and do well, which is kind of nice.
Good on them.
But anyways, so it's hard to experiment right now, but you know Elon is going to continue to experiment because it seems to be in his nature, and he desperately wants to turn this thing around. So I don't know if people are going to pay more than $8 a month to get rid of ads on Twitter. I doubt it. Twitter, it's always trouble it's hard when you've had a thing that's been delivered for free and then you want to add money to it. As opposed to working in reverse where people have paid for it and then maybe you want to do a free tier to
Unless there's like a really big incentive to go premium.
Like you feel like YouTube did a good job with YouTube Premium. They initially gave you a completely separate service for free, which was YouTube Music. I think that was the key for them. I don't know what Twitter's version of that is. Twitter Music? Is that what they need to get into?
Yeah.
Exclusive content deals? Do they have to go sign somebody like Rogan or, to just post on Twitter? Like, I don't know what they have to do, but there's a lot of different ways to get to where they want to go and to have that sort of must-see element and make sure they're generating revenue. There's a lot of ways to get there, I'll tell you that.